Hello everybody, this is my oscilloscope / function generator project. If you take a look here, you can see all the different functions. You can cycle between different waveforms. You can control the amplitude, the DC offset, the frequency, all the way up to 20 kilohertz. And you can control the volts per division and the seconds per division in order to compensate for the frequency increase or decrease. You can add noise. You can toggle between uniform noise or Gaussian white noise. And you can take a picture. Over here, you see all the values when the graph is frozen. For the fast Fourier transform, the FFT graph, you can basically see, here we go. Let's make this easier to look at. It follows the frequency on the x-axis, and yeah, that's about it.